Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will try to generate very good profit in gold versus US dollar. You will get to learn psychology and technical analysis very well from this video. Let me apply for the trade and then I will explain to you the reason for taking the trade. Guys, we are having very good profits now. We have deposited $5,500 in this account. This account will grow properly as we have seen. We have taken entry at the right time. This will tell you further. Here the market has been following the uptrend for quite some time. We have also applied trade in its direction, because with this there is a possibility of achieving our target soon. Let's start technical analysis. The market is moving upwards, taking proper support on this trend line, due to which we will see proper higher low points. This trend line of ours is working properly. The market can follow this trend line in future also. We'll take another trend line and connect it with the same angle at higher high points. The market has been in a strong uptrend for a week. The market, which has formed proper higher high higher low, is moving upwards. Till then the market will follow the trend channel. We will only see the buying opportunity. With this our target will be achieved quickly. Now we create strong support resistance level. With this we will see better reversal points. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed to the same level. At these points you can see that the market first took resistance and later broke it and became support, due to which a resistance becomes support pattern has been created here, which is the real pattern of strong uptrend. High percentage chance the market will go up from here, because the market is following a strong uptrend as well as a strong pattern. This pattern is created every time. We should understand this pattern because it is a pattern with high probability, so we can generate good profit. Our analysis work is complete. Now let us set stop loss and target point. Guys, our stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel, which is 50 pips below. Here the market is following a strong uptrend, so there are less chances of hitting our stop loss, and the target point will be near the previous high, which will be 100 pips above. The market has already created higher high points at this level. To make a new higher high, the market will have to go above this level. We have gone from profit to loss. We are currently running a loss of more than $500. We have done proper risk management here so that we know our loss. Our analysis here is correct. We have to be patient here so that the market can move upwards, because the market needs time to make a big move. The market gives profit to the trader who gives time to the market. If his analysis and positioning is correct, then he can easily make profit. We have done a very simple analysis here which any trader can do. Now we wait patiently for the target to be hit. Till then, enjoy the video.
I got dreams, wanna go fast. Know this energy's here to last. Not a glass half full, overflow that. Gotta keep your eyes up on the prize. Only got one life, so it's worth the try. If that makes you feel alive, that's the only way to live it right. And now we all doing our own thing. Don't ever forget our early days. My mind is full of the memories, yeah.
Very nice, guys. The market has given a very good move. The market has reacted the way we analyzed. The market has respected our setup here. We applied trade on resistance, become support pattern. The market gave very good result. We were waiting for this move. Our profit target is at the level which was hit not long ago. We draw a strong level where the market took support again and went up. This shows that the market is still following our level. Let me explain you the further pattern. The market had taken resistance at this level earlier also, and now it has taken resistance again. Unless the market breaks above this level, we cannot get a good buying opportunity. The above level is a strong resistance level. Here again we can use the resistance, become support strategy. Now let's close the trade. Guys, our profit is above $11,000. We had $5,500 in this account, which has grown to $17,000. This is a very good profit. We can make good profit even with simple analysis. As long as you keep complicating the market, you will move away from profit. If you have learned something from this video, then please like it. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.